After opening the AutoCAD, we have to click on this AutoCAD icon, then click on New, then click on AutoCAD ISO and click on Open. So screen will be open. Then you have to click on this rectangle symbol, or else in the command bar type REC, enter. Then it is asking lower point 0, 0, enter, and it is asking the upper parts 420, 297, enter, Z enter and A enter. You see the rectangle. Select this rectangle, click on this offset. This through distance comes as 15 and keep it inside. Next, click on this rectangle symbol, again move. X distance is 390 and Y distance is 15, enter. So here you have to write the here you have to write all dimensions are removed. So click on text, click on multi-line text, and here you have to write or click the text. So default the text height is 2.5, make it as 5 and enter, and drag this text till the end now, and make sure that you are keeping at the center. So here you have to write in bold letters, you have to write all dimensions are in mm, all dimensions are in mm. Give some space, write your name, remove the bold and write your name. Then write your roll number like 25B 81 A04 and 2 digits. After writing the roll number, you have to write the sheet number. So this sheet name is 0, and again sheet name is template, and again sheet name is template. Again write the date. Again write the date. And highlight, make these as in the bold. Please drag and adjust the text. Drag and adjust the text. Then you have to go to the dim style to change the dimension style. In the command bar type dim style, then click on modify, then go to symbols and arrows, make the arrow size as 5, enter. Go to text, make the text height as 5 and enter. Go to the primary units, precision is 0.0 and decimal separator is period. Click on OK, click on set current and close. And now we will learn how to convert this drawing into PDF. Click on this, there is a plot symbol is there. Click on this plot symbol, or else click on Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This name of the plotter, you can keep it as DWG to PDF, or else if you want very high quality, you can click on AutoCAD PDF high quality print. So default paper size is A4. Display, so this display will change to window. I'll select the corners of the outer rectangle so that it comes at the bottom. I'll click, if fit to paper is not there, you have to click on fit to paper and center to plot so that it will be centered. If you want this diagram is equally divided above and below, you click on landscape and make sure that the plot stamp is on. So if you want to check any preview, click on preview. So automatically you will get the preview here, and click on close and click on OK. So to save it as PDF, so rename this PDF as sheet 0, which is called as template, sheet 0 template, and click on save. So automatically your PDF will be generated, and click on print and submit the sheets.